Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and I've got a big announcement for you guys. Plus, I'll let you know what's coming up this week and next week.
So this week on my channel we have the Arduino tutorial for April, and we're going to be doing an Arduino snap switch control. Now last month we did Kato turnout control with Arduino, so this month we're doing Arduino snap switches. It's some slightly different hardware, and actually the programming is a little bit easier, and I know a lot of you use snap switches, so this is going to be how you control them with an Arduino. Then next week we're going to have an operations video where I go through an entire local, going through my layout and switching the various industries and taking the pickups back to the main yard off layout. So that's what's coming up this week and next week. Now on to my big announcement.
As many of you know, I have been creeping towards 5,000 subscribers, and I've hinted on Instagram and on the YouTube community tab about the 5,000 subscriber contest. Well, I am officially announcing the DIY and Digital 5,000 subscriber contest. This is really a thank you to you guys for all the support that you have shown me. I am absolutely overwhelmed by the amount of support that you guys have given me. And another great thing is, the 5,000 subscriber contest is sponsored by Factory Direct Trains. You can visit factorydirecttrains.com for a multitude of model railroading products and supplies at great prices. That's factorydirecttrains.com. And they were nice enough to supply me with not one, but 2 locomotives to give away for the 5,000 subscriber contest. One in HO scale and one in N scale. The N-scale locomotive is a Broadway Limited T1 duplex, and it is DCC and Paragon 3 sound equipped. The HO scale locomotive is an Athearn DCC ready GE-9. Now what this means is I'm not going to have just one winner for the 5,000 subscriber contest. I'm going to have 2 winners for the 5,000 subscriber contest. One for HO scale and one for N scale. Now I'm not announcing the rules on how to enter just yet, and you'll want to be on the lookout for that in future videos. And if you haven't already, go and hit that subscribe button, because you have to be a subscriber to be eligible for the 5,000 subscriber contest. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, go and hit that like button and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates, including ones about the 5,000 subscriber contest. Now the 5,000 subscriber contest is going to end when I hit 5,000 subscribers. So make sure that you are already subscribed. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading!